Hello, today we will discuss the IAS 24. IAS 24 actually tells us the related party disclosures and ensuring transparency and accountability in financial reporting. This standard plays a vital role in promoting transparency and accountability in financial reporting. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what related party disclosures are, what they matter, and how they are reported under IAS 24. So what is IAS 24 is actually it's a global accounting standard issued by the International Accounting Standards Board back in 1984 and updated several times. And the main goal of IAS 24 is transparency. It should be transparent, whatever in the company is happening, and it requires company to disclose all related party relationships and any significant transactions that occur between them. And this helps users of financial statements like investors, regulators, and auditors understand how these relationships might affect a company's financial position and performance. In simple words, IAS 24 ensures that everything is open and clear. When companies do business with people or entities they are connected to, okay, so hopefully you have understood this side and move for the next one. And the next is our defining related parties. According to IS 24, related parties include a personal close family member. I mean to say, if I have a company and I have a brother who is the owner of another company, and uh, I am just buying something from him, and I should disclose it what the deal between us. So these are the personal close family members, one of our related party, and the second one is key management personnel. It's known as KMPs, like directors, okay, CEOs, senior managers of the entity are experienced, and entity within the same groups, including the parents, subsidiaries, associates, whatever the joint ventures are, and the post-employment benefit plan directly related to the entity and its broader groups. In short, I would say related parties are anyone or any entity that can influence or be influenced by the company's financial and decision-making power. So the core concepts of the related party transactions are, no, what is the related party transactions? It's any transfer of resource, services, or obligations, you can say, between the related parties, whether or not a price is charged. I mean to say, if no money changes hands or the amount seems small, IS 24 still requires disclosures. This includes loans, financing, asset transfers, you can say, sales purchase, and the management services between the related parties. The idea is simple: if a transaction occurs with a related person, okay, entity, it should be disclosed to avoid any hidden influence, anything you can say. So this is all about the IAS 24 and why IAS 24 matters. I mean to say, when it comes to disclosure, IAS 24 is very clear. So why IAS 24 matter? Transparency and trust. So there are three main reasons, I would say. It prevents conflict of interest by revealing any hidden relationships or deals that might, you can say, distort the financial result. I mean, if there is, if someone have the company, a limited company, and they have shareholders, so it should be disclosed because they are the owner of the sale, they are a stakeholder of that company. So, and also it helps assess risks, so investor can judge how related party dealings might affect the company's stability, and it ensures comparability, obviously. So financial statement across different companies and time periods can be fairly compared, promotes fair competition, and enhances the comparability of financial statements. So overall, IS 24 build trust between the company and the stakeholders. I have a case study there, a real world example, and you can see there. Imagine a middle shareholder controls entity A and their spouse owns entity B, which happens to be the A's biggest customer, mean to say A one, and the B is another one. And through the companies are legally separate, you can say this is the different and this company is also different, but they are related because of family control and influence, you can say. So IAS 24 requires both entities to full disclose this relationship and all transaction between them, like sales, loans, okay, or services, anything that they are sharing with each other. So this ensures transparency and prevents any suspicion of unfair advantages or hidden dealings. Okay, so key management personnel is our next slide, and here another key area of IAS 24 is this. And this the disclosure should include all kinds of payments, salaries, bonus, payments, etc. What does is means, like if I have a CEO and he's very loyal to me, and I have another person which is also have a great prestigious designation in my company, and I should need to disclose it what I am giving to my CEO and another person. So, but remember, only the amounts paid by the reporting entity itself are disclosed, not payments from other group companies and associates. Okay, this should be remembered. And I have an example there. And if a CEO is compensated by two late candidates, what does this mean? It means that if a CEO receives pay from two related entities, each company only discloses that part it paid. This keeps reporting clear and avoids the duplication. Okay, so it should be understood. And recent updates and scope of it is that IS has evolved over the time. In 2009, the definition of related party was simplified and some exemptions were added for government related entities to make compliance easier. And IAS 24 applies to both consolidated and separate financial statements under IFRS 10 and 27. I will make separate videos on these two as well. And it continues to evolve, adapting to modern corporate structures and complex transactions to stay relevant in today's business world. So IAS 24's role in financial reporting is, that's very important to wrap up. Let's tell you, IAS 24 plays a crucial role in ensuring fair, transparent, and accountable financial reporting. It helps reveal how related parties can influence financial results, and it builds investors' confidence. Okay, and it ensures compliance with international standards. In short, transparency builds trust. IAS 24 ensures exactly that. So hopefully you have understood it, and thank you for watching this tutorial on IAS 24 related party disclosures. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe it. And up next, we will look to IAS 10 or IFRS 50. So stay tuned. Goodbye for now.